Hello everyone, welcome back to Alchemist. Today we are going to see the introduction of modern periodic table. This is a present day accepted periodic table of elements. This is a mostly periodic table and it consists of 18 groups arranged vertically, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. 18 groups and 7 periods, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 periods. The elements 1 to 95 occur naturally, whereas the elements 95 to 118 are prepared in laboratory. These are the basic overview of modern periodic table. Modern periodic table. In this slide, we are going to see the defects in Mendeleev periodic table and how the modern periodic table arise. The first point is Mendeleev gave his periodic table in the year 1869. His work was greatly appreciated by all the scientists, but there were some defects in his table due to which his table was discarded. And then Henry Moseley, an English physicist, he was aware of the isotopes and the same properties of elements are grouped in various places and the different properties of various elements are grouped together. For example, lithium and silver are grouped together although they have different chemical properties. And gold and platinum are grouped wide apart in the periodic table. They have similar chemical properties. This made Moseley to think. Moseley periodic table. Moseley found the number of protons for all elements. He thought that the number of protons is equal to the atomic number of the element. Atomic number is the more fundamental property of any element rather than atomic mass. Atomic number was basic of modern periodic table. Moseley used atomic number to classify the element in his table. Atomic number is the basic of this Moseley periodic table, that is the modern periodic table. Moseley table or modern periodic table is a finally accepted form of periodic table today. It consists of 118 elements as we have seen in the earlier slide. Now let us compare the Mendeleev and modern periodic table. This is the Mendeleev periodic table. This is the modern periodic table. Let us compare these two. In Mendeleev periodic table, the elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic mass. If you notice in the Mendeleev periodic table, the change of atomic mass is not so gradual, that is 1, 6, 9, etc. In case of modern periodic table, the elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic number. You can see the change gradually, that is 1, 2, 3, etc. In Mendeleev periodic table, there was 8 groups. The first 7 groups, the 8 groups are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The first 7 groups have 2 subdivisions, that is A, B, etc. And the 8th group has 3 series, 1, 2, 3, and 3 series. So each subdivision in Mendeleev periodic table is considered as a separate group in modern periodic table. Let us see that also. So there are 7 groups. 7 into 2 is equal to 14 and 3 series plus 3 is equal to 17 groups. Totally there are 17 groups in Mendeleev periodic table. Now let us see the modern periodic table. There was 18 groups, and let's see how these 18 groups come from. In modern periodic table, there was 17 groups, and the last one, that is the 18th group, the noble gas or zero group, discovered after the Mendeleev periodic table. It indicates that it does not participate in any chemical reaction. And the next point is, in Mendeleev periodic table, there was six periods, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 periods. Whereas in modern periodic table, there was 7 periods, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The seventh period is discovered after the Mendeleev gave his table. So, mostly arranged in order, increasing order of atomic number. Then, in Mendeleev periodic table, the eighth group, that is the three series group, iron, cobalt, and nickel, does not have any subdivisions like A, B, and whereas in modern periodic table also, that is the iron, cobalt, nickel series have no subdivisions. You can see it is simply as 8. Okay. In modern periodic table, there is a systematic arrangement of elements, whereas in Mendeleev periodic table, he also tried to the maximum, he tried maximum to arrange the elements as a systematic, but he considered atomic mass as a major property, but mostly choose atomic number as a major property. This is the basic difference in Mendeleev and modern periodic table. Conclusion. The modern periodic table is an extension of Mendeleev periodic table. The modern periodic table is well organized and it rectifies a problem that was present in Mendeleev periodic table. Mostly added two series of elements below the periodic table, that is the lanthanide and actinide series. To show in two-dimensional frame, it is kept below the periodic table. We already saw that mostly took atomic number as a basic property and atomic number of each element is unique. It was used as a property, that is the atomic number was used as a property in Moseley's periodic table, and J is the only letter that is not found in the modern periodic table. You can later refer to this. If you have any doubts, put it in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.